Hi everyone. I hope everyone is safe and sana mabilis na lumabas ang typhoon na to sa ating Philippine Area of Responsibility at sana if possible wala sanang masalanta. So today is our weekly charting session and before I begin to to analyze your stock request, I would just like to bring your attention to my recent post regarding the possibility that I may open up a purely voluntary donation type setup in Patreon if ever I decide to do so. As I mentioned, my videos will always be for free. Pero syempre, if there are kind hearts out there, yung mga na, natutulungan naman ng aking videos and maybe some of you have made good use of the analysis which I presented in the videos. Maybe you have a kind heart and you would want to donate something if ever lang in the future to my cause so that I will be further motivated to continue with this weekly analysis videos. So anyway, iniisip ko pa lang siya. That's why I'm telling you this para naman you will also be able to decide or think for yourself if you think it's okay for me to do that and if sa tingin nyo it will be successful and if you'd be willing to donate some small amount to this weekly activity. Anyway, uh, I'm planning to further improve these videos and let's see where it goes. So anyway, yun lang. Heads up lang na baka gawin ko yun in the future. Pero yun, ang takeaway is that the videos will be for free pero baka mag-open ako ng some crowdfunding sort of thing like Patreon, etc. na where you can forward me a little something of or some donation so that para ano, para naman meron din akong ano, para meron din akong part of your of the use of these videos for you. Let's see. Iniisip ko pa siya and I'm just opening that option so that if in the future I decide to do that, then hindi na siya surprise. But yon, ang bottom line, the videos will be for free. Tapos, if there are kind hearts out there na gustong mag-voluntarily donate something to this activity, then very good. Okay? Tingnan natin. Anyway, sige. Let's start. Ay, wait nga pala. Merong ano eh. Merong nag tawag doon. May tinanggap akong humabol ng stock request. Sino ba yan? Tandaan ko yung kanina. Ito. Si Gavino ang kasi nano ko lang. Normally I stick by as I've told you a couple of videos ago na I try to stick by rules. Kaya pag over the cut off na hindi ko tatanggap yung request pero ano naman si ano eh, si Gavino ang he or she, thanks sir or ma'am, showed support for my idea regarding yung possible voluntary donation style thing which I'm thinking. Kaya I gave him or her an exception. Sige. PXP FGen. Add natin. Diyan ba si PXP? Wala pa. PXP FGen. Tapos, siya IC R hold 72. Add natin siya. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Okay. Okay. Sige. Let's begin. Yan. As is always the case for the last couple of months na pala, almost 3 months na pala. June, July, August, September. Yes, 3 months. Let's start first with where the index is going. Ating index, mukha yatang ano na, medyo dumungaw ng unti below the consolidation. Ito siya eh. Nagkaroon ng kaunting dungaw. Here. Which means, medyo nagkaroon ng slight danger. Slight higher chance of danger na bumaba uli. Baka itest nga uli itong ano. Baka itest nga uling around 697 level. Hopefully not. Anyway, in any case, ingat pa rin tayo sa stock market kasi hindi pa rin tayo nasa bullish territory. Marami pa rin stocks na lumilipad pero after 1 day or 2 days, back to baksak na naman siya. Kaya ingat pa rin tayo. Hindi pa tayo, we are not out of the woods yet. Okay? Sige. Okay, umpisa natin sa WPI. Medyo illiquid na siya. Wala pa 1 million ang kanyang traded value. And, saan ba siya nagtitrade ngayon? It's trading near a flip zone. Ang flip zone siya yung where support became a resistance or resistance became a support and vice versa. Which means may possibility siya mag-bounce. But medyo kasi nga kasi I am not really fond of bounce plays, especially when there are other stocks which are flying like IRC, VUL, etc. Kaya for me, ang WPI, I will give this a pass for now. Pero if talagang you wanna try a bounce play for this, if it bounces, well, pwede meron kang around 10%, tapos ang risk mo, sabihin mo ng risk mo ito. Let's say ang risk mo mga around, pwede, 1 to 2. 5% risk for a 10-12% gain. You can try, kaya lang medyo ano ako eh. Medyo for me I don't like doing bounce plays if there are other stocks which are which have momentum naman, like for example nga as I mentioned, yung mga tipo mga IRC, yung food ba, meron pa ba? Pwede pa yan, VUL, etc. Ayun, so ingat lang sa WPI. MRC. MRC. Ang MRC, ano pa rin eh. Kumbaga parang it's trying to come out of its range. Kaso, palagi siyang nauudlot. Let's think about this. Let's give it more consideration kapag siya ay lumabas na sa around 7.5, 7.4. Kasi before, it tried to, it tried to sneak out of this smaller box, 0.69, 0.7, kaso, as you can see, bumabalik siya. Medyo malamya pa siya for me. Okay? Sige. IRC. Ito. The alpha stock for this last few weeks. Excuse me. Okay, for the last couple of weeks, ang ganda ng kanyang ano no, ang ganda ng kanyang play. Medyo medyo nag-show ng konting weakness this last couple of days. Pero tignan natin, how weak is weak. Ang kanyang resistance na kanyang binanatan ay around 2.3. Hindi pa naman siya bumabalik doon. Ang next resistance na pwedeng i-break out from sa weekly. Ito na pala, taas na. Nasa around 3 tayo. Ayan. Which means, for me, meron pa siyang pwedeng iangas as long as hindi siya babaksak below 2 or something. Kasi pag siya bumaksak doon, it is a sign of weakness kasi bumaba na siya dun sa kanyang previously broken resistance, which is around 2.12, 2.13. Kaya okay pa naman siya, although medyo hindi ko gusto nangyari last Friday kahapon. Ang laki ng kanyang red candle. Pero I'll keep this on my watch list. If ever it just bounces up, it just bounces from this breakout point and baka naman tumuloy-tuloy. Pero once na it goes down this, wala na. Medyo magdadalawang isip na ako dyan. Okay? Kaya for holders na nakakuha ng IRC during its breakout from the low base, pwede yung gawing ano yan. Pwede yung gawing titawag na uncle point. Kung yung point na ayaw nyo na. Pag bumaba siya sa 2, i-take profit nyo na. Kung hindi pa kayo nag-take profit ha. Pero kapag hindi pa siya bumaba ron, sige. Let it show you if it can bounce from this breakout point na around 2.10, 2.15, and if it can regain its strength. Okay? Kaya IRC looks good pa rin. Titingnan natin kung ano mangyayari next week. Food. Ud. Food ud. Ang food. Speaking of food, sana guys meron kayong supply ng food ngayong bagyo para iiwas muna lumabas ng bahay para safe kayo inside your homes. Okay, ang kanyang next na dapat i-break na resistance. Nandito na tayo. 1.3 level. Ang kanyang inabot. Na-close siya dito. Yan. Sa zone na to. Well, for me, parang IRC, hindi pa naman siya laos. It might give us another run pataas. Yan, yung channel na yan. Hindi naman siya nag-come from a steep enough downtrend, kaya yung chance na bumaksak siya hindi pa naman ganun kalaki. It might also be able to push back up. Ang kaya RSI, although hindi na siya mataas, still okay. DMI is still good. Kaya food, just keep it in your watch list for now, especially if it breaks this, if it breaks its previous high of around 1.2425 dito. Okay? Keep in your watch list. RLC. Ang RLC, ano na ba nangyayari? Weekly. Ang RLC kasi nanggaling sa support zone. It's coming from there. And nag-bounce siya for the last couple of mga 4 months na pala siya, no? Mga 3 months na pala, no? Ayun. And its next resistance is around this point. Kaya if you have this stock, take note of the next resistance around 22 level, at you might consider shaving off some of your shares by then. Sa mga bibili naman, kung ako, hindi ko muna bibilin kasi medyo maliit. Maliit ang aking hinahantay na reward, 7%. Samantalang ang aking magiging risk, pareho. 1 to 1. Pag naman conservative ka, mas malaki pa yung risk. Kaya for me, hindi ko siya i-enter ngayon. Pero sa mga holder, you might consider taking profit when it approaches yung around 22. Or, pag nag-break naman yung latest support at around this level, around 19.5. Pag yan nag-break, medyo baka bumalik na uli sa stronger or further support zone. Kaya baka if tabili kayo rito, baka balikan lang niya. So yung profit sana nawala pa. Anyway, so ingat. If ever kayo nakakuha rito, nag-double halos ano siya, no? Double bottom halos, ano? Let's say, for example, dito kayo kumuha. Meron na kayong 30%. Not bad na yan, ano? Maximum niya for the next 20%. Not bad na yun, di ba? Okay? Okay to yung ano niya. Okay yung kanyang pinag-bouncean dito Almost double bottom siya. Pero, as you notice, anong nangyari, earlier nag-come ang bulls, yung buyers. Kaya, ang chance niya talagang tumaas from this point, malaki. Kaso yun nga, after this run, it is now facing a resistance. Kaya good job guys sa mga umenter dito, or kahit dito, kasi high probability trade siya, at meron ka na ngayong potential na at least 15% kung di pa kinukuha. Kaya pag siya bumalik dito, medyo guys, isipin nyo ng kuhanin. 10% is still good enough. Kaysa naman back to zero, di ba? Yun naman sa IRC. So IRC, iwas muna for now sa mga new entrants, wag muna. Sa mga holders, yun, yung mga points na pinakita ko na possible take profit. Okay? JFC. Si Jollibee. Siyempre, blue chip, kaya nakikijoin sa movement ng index kasi siya ay part ng index. At ang mga malaking investors ay tumitingin sa development sa index. Okay, medyo sa akin si Jollibee, medyo delikado kasi binrake niya ang uptrend line. Delikado for now. Kaya watch lang tayo dyan. DMC. DMC kasalukuyang ding nag-bounce parang si RLC rin. Meron siyang trend line na yon. Kaso, as I mentioned, nanggaling sa very steep downtrend, kaya posibleng bumaksak. Which means, if you're holding DMC, mag-ingat kapag na-break ang kanyang pag na-break ang kanyang trend line nito na parang nag-act as a dynamic support line, medyo mag-take profit mag-take profit na tayo. Okay? BDO, I think ang BDO naghuhukay, di ba? Naghuhukay nga ang BDO. Naghukay. Ranging before is simpler. Kaso bumaksak. Ngayon, nag-bounce na konti pero I don't think this is a strong enough bounce yet. Kasi after ng first screen, biglang lumamya. Parang ano lang, parang dead cat bounce lang. Kaya wag muna guys. Baka baka ma-breach nga tong flip zone na to. Bumaba pa. Watch lang muna tayo ngayon sa ganito medyo humihinang stock. Wala mo nang yan. Kumbaga, for me, I won't take a look at it for now. Basta index medyo mahina for now. Unless investor ka, you're searching for a very low price and you trust the company the company's share prices will increase in the future, which it probably would, then go ahead. Pero ako personally, I have a trading mindset, kaya hindi ko siya papatulan for now. Ang Ali ganun din, nagkaroon ng konting trend line which came from this double bottom bounce, kaso nag-break off na. Kaya sana yung mga bumili dito, sana nakaano na kayo. Sana nakatake na kayo ng profit. Somewhere here, mga before mag-break down yung trend line, 17%. Okay? IMI. Naguhukay pa rin ang IMI natin, guys. Meron pa rin tayong down channel. Ang iba lang ngayon ay it is now approaching a weekly long-term support. Last year pa to. So if you are one of those folks na wants to take part in bounce plays, then keep this in your watch list at let's see if it bounces from the same point it did from around the same time last year. Baka bounce, baka lang. Kaya keep in your watch list. Posibleng ganun, meron siya may chance na baba. Although it is now in a support level, kaya medyo lumaki ang chance na mag-bounce. Kaya ako talagang in love kayo sa IMI. Keep watch of a possible bounce. Tags. Isa ba itong nagkukay? As I mentioned last, I think, since a couple of videos ago, gumawa ng channel, bumaksak. And it's now approaching a possible flip zone. Kaya we will see. Baka it's possible na mag-bounce siya. Possible. Kasi it is approaching a flip zone. Resistance may become a support now. Kaya para IMI, if you are into bounce plays, you might want to consider watching this if it does bounce. Okay, APX. Ang APX, kasi ano to eh, parang PXP. Masyadong news driven. Basta meron news sa WPA sa mining. Kaya for me, medyo stay away muna ako. Although it's forming a flag, baka mag-break, pag nag-break siya, pwedeng it might go up. Kaso, yun nga, anything na news tungkol sa WPS and oil exploration, mining, delikado. Kaya ako, I will stay away for now. Kasi nga, meron tayo, PXP. Kapagkasabay, magkasunod na. Kung pareho ng style halos, dito naman, nagpo-form siya ng box dito. Pwede siyang breakout. Depende, depende sa news. Masyadong news driven. But at least it is trading above the 50% line sa kanyang box, sa kanyang range na yan. Kaya medyo good pa siya. Let's just see this next couple of days. If you really want this, then for me, just wait for it to break out of around 17 and see where it goes. Just be sure that you have your proper cut loss point if ever it doesn't go your way. Or ang or mukhang may siya magandang formation, ano? Mukhang it may be primed for a breakout saka dito around this level. Better watch for it around 1.4. Pag yan na close end of day, it can attempt to reach yung kanyang high uli. Which is around here, 10%. Okay, not bad. So keep on your watch list. SMPH. Blue chip. Sayang SMPH. Ito, I will only watch this. I will only consider this once it breaks around 40. Otherwise, watch lang. Tagal lang yan eh, 40. Hindi ka ma-break. IDC. Another of the hot stocks this last couple of days. PXP tapos na yan, ano. Mukhang ayos pa naman siya. It's possible na are we approaching some resistance? Medyo okay pa naman. Meron pa siyang some range to fly. Mga 10%, tapos next around here 20, okay pa. So if it still shows strength, baka nag-pause lang siya, then you can enter. You can still enter this stock. Medyo ano pa siya, medyo for me, meron pa siyang strength. You can possibly consider entering this when it reaches this high last yesterday. Baka mag-continue up siya. Pero syempre, as always, wala sigurado. Pero maganda pa ang RSI nga, maganda ang kanyang DMI. Kaya posibleng meron pa siyang uubra. Okay? Kaya good pa siya for me. House. Excuse me. Ang house medyo illiquid eh, no? For now, saka medyo malamiya kasi ang movement ng house eh. Ang tagal lang yung na-stuck. Yan eh. Kaya only consider that when it breaches around 8. Otherwise, watch lang. Hindi siya interesting looking. ABA. ABA. Ang baba ay nag-hit ng resistance level, medyo. Oo, kaya pala siya medyo na ano eh. Kaya pala siya nauntog eh. Tapos ang next resistance dito, around here. Watch na lang tayo. If it can break 0.4546. If it does, meron tayong another 20% or so na target. Pero for now, watch lang. See if it can break out of this recent high. Mukhang good pa naman, mukha. ISM. Ang ISM, dilly-dallying for a while. Tagal na, since 2 months na, since it's super stock days. Nagko-consolidate na siya around this box. Tingnan lang natin if it can again break out of its previous high around 3.6. So for now, keep on your watch list, pero ano siya, kumbaga kung meron kayong watch list tier 1, yung mga talagang good stocks with a high probability of going up. Yung B, medyo posible lang ilagay nyo siya sa watchlist B. Medyo kumbaga ano lang siya, substitute. Kumbaga ano lang siya, next kumbaga hindi siya priority stocks for now. NRCP, nung araw okay to eh, pero I think ngayon probability nito medyo nawala ang kagandahan niya. Ang ganda nito eh. Wala. For me, NRCP medyo pa to. Not something to consider for now. Sobrang yung illiquid at sobrang wala nangyayari sa kanya. And finally, FGen. FGen. Mukhang maganda yung bounce nga, no? From this level. Around June hanggang ngayon, ilang percent na? 20 na halos, no? Kaso, ang problema ngayon natin, malapit na siya. Ay, in fact, na-reach na nga yung kanyang resistance level. Kaya, nauntog na. Let's take a look if it can get back up and break that resistance level. Ang masama lang, ang kanyang next resistance malapit na rin. Kaya for me, medyo hindi ko muna masyadong pag-iisipan ng stock na to. Ayoko nang marami pang harang, kumbaga. Marami pang harang sa ating ligaya. 6% lang yung next. Medyo malamya pa. Okay? So for me, medyo malamya pa ang FGen. Just like any stock sa index. Alright. So that ends today's session. As I mentioned, may everyone be safe. And din nga, as I mentioned din kanina, sorry guys kung medyo makulit yun nga, gusto ko lang i-clarify yung plan ko na I posted sa Instagrams. I might create a sort of crowd funding page. Guys, if you want, you can check out yung website, if ever, sa patreon.com para you can see, para if you're not familiar with it, makita nyo kung paano yung kanyang mechanics. Kasi I might create my own page sa Patreon. It's a website where creators can ask patrons or sponsors to perhaps donate or give money basically to us to as a means to contribute to our activities, to our creations, videos, etc. So yun, but the videos will remain free. Ang bala kong gawin, mag-open lang ako ng ganitong donation type website. If ever, just from the kindness of your heart, you want to donate part of your earnings ng sa stock market, to my cause, to this activity. Para man lalo ko ma-inspire to make this even better and better for all of you. Baka in the future, baka siguro, let's see if this takes off. Baka makaisip tayo ng mga parang special privileges sa mga, if ever, possible patrons. Anyway, those plans are not yet set, pero yun ang binabala ko in the future. Again, free videos, pero may option kayo to donate something. Siguro nisip ko, anyway, if you would like to comment, ano sa tingin nyo ang magandang membership amount na pwede kong hingin from you. Again, free yon. Pero kung gusto nyo maging member, syempre, you will forever be in my uh, I will be forever be in gratitude to you. Well, parang ano, just kindness from you to me. Okay? So yun, I'm thinking siguro 200 pesos or 500, whatever. Let's see anyway. Nothing set in stone. Pero I hope this helps you. And yun, I'm rambling about. And I just create a video of yung inisip kong Patreon stuff. If ever I push through with that, I will make it more clear sa video yon. If ever I choose to do that, if I choose to execute that idea. For now, everything is as it is, and enjoy the weekend. I hope you are all safe, and let's have a good trading week next week. And sana umalis na si Ompong sa mundo. Sana wala ng bagyo. Okay? Thanks guys.